Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put together a bed frame. I used cherry for the base for it here all along, and then I used Douglas fir for the 4x4 posts, and I used a knotty pine for the backsplash. Alright, let's get to it. Now we're going to screw our top board into our post. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get another board just like this, same size, just like that, and we're going to put Craig jigs again, and we're going to screw it in. Now we're going to screw it in. I went to 23 inches. I started. That's where I'm going to drill it. And then same thing on this end, we're going to do 23 inches. Measure it, 23. I have to go over more. Now we're going to make a piece that goes across in the middle like that, and now we're going to screw it. Okay, now we're going to make 45, which I've already done, is I did 45 angled cuts. And I'm going to screw it down now. Now we're going to make our front posts. And we're going to go 25 inches. Okay, we're going to do the same thing as we did over here where we put Craig jigs. So we're going to put Craig jigs on here onto these posts, and then we're going to screw it down. Okay, now that we got our bottom piece screwed on, as you can see, the Craig jigs, I Craig jigged it and then I glued it. Okay, now we have our top piece made. We're gonna do the same thing. Make Craig jig, and we'll glue it and screw it. Okay, I got it all screwed in now. Now I'm gonna make same thing, same pattern. I'll have 3 of those going across. Okay, now we're gonna be making our top pieces. So we'll cut them to size on both of them, and we'll glue it and screw it. Okay, now that we have our top piece screwed on, we're going to make our very top piece to lay on top, and then we're going to screw it from the back. We're going to screw it from the bottom up here going up. Okay, now that I screwed on the top, as you can see, I put the screws from the bottom going up, so you don't see any screws. And now I'm gonna put pine boards all the way across. Okay, I got my pine boards all ready for my back. Now I'm gonna Craig jig a couple, and then I'm gonna screw it down. Okay, you can see I screwed in the back with pine, and I did pocket holes. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna do our rails. Okay, now that I have my rail cut to size, I'm gonna put my support board here, and I'm gonna screw it, and that's where the slats are gonna go, just like that. Okay, as you can see, I got my support board on, screwed it down to my rail all the way, as you can see. And now I'm going to be drilling right here where this clamp is, so I could put my bolt through here. You can see, got my hole. When we get our holes drilled out, we could put our bolts through. Just like that. Make sure you have washers. Once we get all our bolts in, as you can see, I got them on every corner. I did 2 in the front, just like that. And next we're gonna do did my slats, as you can see. And you wanna do them 61.5 inches, so they fit nice and snug, like this. And now it's time to sand it down. Okay, once we want to get done sanding, I'm going to put a clear coat of clear satin on there. I'm going to be using Czar. So I gotta stir this stuff up. Alright, once you get done coating it, you want to let it sit for about a week to get that smell off. You want to be breathing in that polyurethane. And you want to take it apart and put it back all together where you want it. As you can see, I got it in my bedroom, and it turned out really nice. Really nice. Nice and sturdy. Strong. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. And if you want to see more projects on the way, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, the Beetle Bandsaw, and I want to wish you guys luck if you attempt this, and peace out.